These are the energy focused and sleep patches by LiveGood. I've been taking these for a while and I am really impressed with these, and I want to explain why. One thing about LiveGood is one of my favorite supplement companies, and it's because they are very transparent with their ingredients. They always list out every ingredient on their listing. You might see other companies that will have a few listed out, and then they'll have proprietary blend and it'll just list the ingredients in one paragraph, but you don't know exactly how much of what is in each thing. But here they list out on all their products every amount of every ingredient. So that's just one thing I love about LiveGood. But let me tell you about these patches. So I'm going to start with the energy and focus patches. I have one on here in the inside of my wrist. I wear these almost daily. And what I like about these is that they have a really nice blend of ingredients. If you look here, it says right here, the ingredients are yerba mate, green tea extract, green coffee extract, caffeine, Panax ginseng extract, black maca, agmatine, sulfate, sweet orange, essential oil, quercetin, guarana extract, and cosmoperine. And then it has all the different amounts in there so you can see how much of every ingredient is in there. And they're really nice because it says they're designed to support healthy energy, promote positive mood, help improve focus, and promote great endurance. And I find that these really help me, especially when I'm working and I want to stay focused at work, and it just helps me just with my day, just going through my day. It says that they last up to 8 hours and there's a 30-day supply in this package. Use one patch daily. So this is what they look like. You can see the one that's on my wrist, but they come in these strips where you can see, you can like tear them off. So, you know, if you are traveling, you won't carry the whole thing, you can just tear these off. They have perforations, so you can travel with 2 at a time and put them in a bag or something. But basically they just stick on. It says how to use. It says how to use. Remove the patch from the backing and press directly onto an area of skin where there's little to no hair, inside of wrist, hip, shoulder, or ankle. And clean and dry the skin where the patch will go prior to applying, as any oils, creams, or lotions should compromise the adhesiveness and performance. And so basically what I do, a lot of times I work from home, so I don't mind putting on the inside of my wrist, but a lot of times I'll put it on the side of my hip, especially if I'm going out in public and I want to be discreet. So that really is a nice way to use them. It says you should start feeling the effects of LiveGood Energy and Focus Patch within about 30 minutes of application. Remove and discard the patch after 8 hours, and don't reuse an already used patch. So I really like these. Are definitely an everyday staple for me. So let me tell you about the sleep patches. So for me, I don't have issues sleeping too often. Sometimes I use these more sparingly just because I don't have sleep problems. But there are times if I've been staying up for several nights in a row and I need to get myself back on a normal sleep pattern where I can sleep at a certain time, and you know, things like that. If I need to reset my sleep schedule, this is how I use these. So it says right here, supports deep restful sleep, improves sleep quality, wake up refreshed, natural ingredients. Again, lasts up to 8 hours, 30 days supply, use one patch daily. And just like the energy and focus, this is how they come. So this is how they come. So you can see that I have some stuck together, but you can see this is how they come on the plastic. You see I already have them perforated, so been using these as well. And let me show you the ingredients on these. It says these have melatonin, inositol, skullcap herb powder, 5-HTP, GABA, L-theanine, L-tryptophan, valerian root powder, chamomile flower extract, liquid lavender oil, and cosmoperine. And then you can see here, these are the concentrations of every component on here. So, and it says the same ingredients, you know, just to put it on inside a wrist, on your hip, shoulder, clean area, and you should feel the effects within 30 minutes of application. Do not reuse. And it says that it delivers a unique blend of healthy botanical ingredients to provide fast and long-lasting, deep, restful, high-quality sleep. So, like I said, I don't have sleep issues, but this really helps reset me when I need to get back on a better sleep pattern when I've gone off, like been on vacation and just had several nights of just staying up, and I need to get back to my normal sleep schedule. So this is the pack, the dual pack with the energy focus and the sleep patches. I really like these products. Been using them for probably about 8 months now, and I highly recommend them if this is something that you're looking for.